We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Beautiful morning. Just dropped Massi off in Ortigia. Look at this. Couldn't not stop and have a look and show you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful morning. Right, I'm on my way back home. Actually, I need to stop off and buy some food. Massi's doing a couple of days in a restaurant in Ortigia. They called him up, they need his help. So he decided he would go and give them a hand. This is the new walkable bridge that they are busy building. So you'll be able to just walk across this bridge without having to go on the other two bridges that are always full of cars. I'm not sure when they are finishing this bridge. Looks like they're working pretty hard on it. It looks beautiful. I can't wait. So it's right next to the big hotel here. And just over there is the Ortigia market. The weekend started off with this amazing sunny day. We spent all day until the sun went down just sitting outside in the sun, soaking up the sun rays, reading books and just enjoying every little minute of sunlight that we could. Little did we know that would soon change. Viola and I enjoyed playing some musical instruments, even though we don't really know how to play them well. It doesn't matter. Participating is what counts. And we just had a beautiful weekend together. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, the secret to frying aubergines and them not absorbing all the oil is to put them in layers with salt. I do this. I put them all here in layers, adding salt in each layer, and then I put a plate on top, and then I'll put a weight, something heavy, and wait for about an hour, and then you'll notice that underneath all the water will drip out. Then I will wash them a bit to take off the salt so they don't become that salty. And then I fry them, and actually, you know, they don't take up no oil when you do this method. I'm sure a lot of you know about it, but I just thought maybe I'll share that with you because a lot of people don't know how to cook aubergines. So frying them a little bit, and then I'm going to make a parmigiana. Okay, so after I fried all the aubergines and I've let them soak up as much oil as I can on a paper towel, excuse me, I am going to actually now make the parmigiana. I'll show you how. So I just heated up some of my fresh tomato sauce that I made in the summer. I still got quite a few bottles actually. So first layer, I'm going to put some tomato sauce. Then I'm going to start my layers. It's almost like making a lasagna, but with aubergines. I was going to say with parmigiano. So maybe I'll add an extra one. I've got quite a few. So then we're going to do a layer of parmigiano grated. At this point you could also add some cheese, mozzarella, provola, whatever you like. I don't have anything, so I am just going to add the parmigiano, and also I like it a little bit more simpler. You can also boil some eggs, slice them up and place them here, or some ham if you like. I mean, you can add anything you really like. Let's do them the opposite way around, like that. What's going on outside? The dogs love barking. This period, all they do is bark. I think the neighbor's here. There we go. Covered it all. Right, again, Parmigiano. You can add as much or as little as you like. Right, that's gone. Gonna add another layer of sauce. Might be able to make a third layer. Let's see. Some people like it more saucier, other people like a little bit less sauce. Massi likes it with less sauce and I like it with more. So, he's gonna get it with more sauce today. How about that? Okay, so I'm just gonna add that on like that. Let's get another piece of Parmigiano. Very simple. I usually make it with boiled eggs, as I said earlier on, but I'm going out tonight with the girls. We're going to the cinema and I just want to get this ready, so because the film lasts 2.5 hours. I don't know if anyone's seen it, but it's Maria, about Maria Callas with Angelina Jolie, and it's a lovely little cinema, a local cinema in Belvedere. They only have like one theater, one screen. It's very small, very sweet. I love that. And yeah, we're going tonight with the girls. Okay, to another little bit of Parmigiano. Okay guys, there you go. That's going to go in the oven like for about 20 minutes, no longer. Okay, so I've just put some tin foil over that. I haven't cooked it yet. I'm going to pop it in the fridge, and then whenever I want to later on, after I come back from the cinema, I'll heat that up, take 20 minutes, and I can have that with a bit of bread. It'll be really nice. Okay, so Massi was called a couple of days from his ex-boss, who owns a beautiful restaurant in Ortigia. The restaurant is called Monte Carlo. Massimo worked there for a few years, and they still remain really, really good friends. Massi loves staying on good terms with everyone that he works with. Everyone loves Massi. He's super friendly, he's super kind, and he's an excellent chef. So anyway, they called him up because they were desperate, because they had to get rid of another chef, a sous chef actually. So Massi is stepping in to give them a hand for a couple of days, and that is why he's not around. And it's really weird because I've always have him around for, you know, the whole day, so it's weird not having him around, but actually it's given me the chance to do a few jobs and to do a bit of extra cooking without rushing to have lunch ready, because he likes to have his lunch ready, and he likes a good lunch. He doesn't really just like to have like whatever. So it's given me the chance to actually do a few other jobs, and yeah, and go out with my friends tonight. How tiny it is! See? Love it. Loads of people are going to come in, but we're the first ones.
My friend Angela hates me filming when she's around, so I have to do it without her noticing, and when she does notice, it's a bit of a joke. So we came out of the cinema and it had started raining, and it hasn't stopped raining for about 3 days. Constant rain, heavy winds, really, really bad weather. This was just the beginning of the bad weather.
Absolutely awful weather. I need to go to the shops. Goodness gracious, it's been like this since Sunday really, and I've been going a little bit stir crazy, so I need to get out. I'm gonna go buy some compressed wood because we've run out of wood here, and because Massi's working, I can't do it myself. It is olive wood, olive and lemon wood, and it's extremely hard to chop, so glasses are all wet. I'm gonna go buy some of that compressed wood that I can use in the log burner. You won't believe they had one last packet of that compressed wood, and the packet was open and the bits were all over the place. Anyway, I got it because like I really don't want to be without any heating tonight, and had to gather all the wood together, and they actually gave me a little bit of a discount. Anyway, I've got it. I'm going home now. So you may think that if you live in Sicily you don't need any heating. Not true. Not true at all. You actually do, because the houses are just not jacked up for the winter. They especially this one, and thank goodness for this log burner. So when I run out of wood I start to panic. Anyway, so I got those logs in, as I said. This will be fine for tonight. I'm gonna have to get some more tomorrow. People are just buying them. They were on offer and I should have got a couple of packs, more than a couple, didn't think. Anyway, Massi's out there cutting the starter wood so he can start the fire. I mean, I can start it myself. I'm probably going to start it myself, and then he's got to go back to work this evening. It's such an awful night, and yeah, I worry sometimes on the roads because when it rains here, it really rains, and I mean trees fall over, rocks fall down. It can get pretty dangerous. Rivers overflow. It's dramatic here. So yeah, but it'll all be fine. Just very bored. Was at home all day. Just did a bit of cleaning. Prepared a few lessons. I didn't have any lessons today. Changed a few things around in the house, and now I'm gonna light my fire and cook myself some dinner. Tomorrow I need to get out. I need to go for a walk, so let's see what happens. You could start with it.
I bet I'm going to work.
Alright, Dave.
Goodbye, girls.
Three of us. Have a nice evening. Keep mommy company.
If I can.
That's great, thank you.
See you later.
Woo! Okay. Ciao, mommy.
Love you.
We are not normal. We had to nip out. We had to nip out to get some wood and some food. And we were like, let's just go for a little drive near the beach. This is the result. This is how bad it is. Weather is incredible. I'm actually risking coming here, to be honest.
Here we go, the water's coming.
Quick, hurry. Oh my goodness. Hurry.
Look at those people, everyone's got to see the water.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah.
Very rough.
That's why you need to have respect for the sea.
Yeah, very dangerous. Let's go home and have a cup of tea.
cosa su. Vedendo oggi. Va bene.
Okay, so we basically met the guy that sold us a canister of gas because we live in the countryside and they won't come all the way to the countryside. So we've met him in Belvedere. He kindly met us and we gave him the empty one and he gave us a new one. So now we've got wood, we've got gas, we're going home to make a nice cup of tea because it's cold and I'm getting a sore throat actually. Massi's happy to hear about that. Only way to bring everything home inside is with our trusty wheelbarrow. Gas canister and wood. Is your tea there? So we thought we'd just talk about how they warn the citizens about bad weather. It's quite
Weather
good.
warning, yeah.
Yeah, weather warning. It's pretty good actually. So basically the mayor, Francesco Cariani, I think his name is.
Francesco Italia.
Oh yeah, Cariani is Floridia. Sorry, I got mixed up. Francesco Italia is the mayor of Siracusa. And he's very proactive on social media, Facebook, you name it, Instagram. So there's like, there's a yellow warning, which is, what would you say a yellow warning would
Amber
be?
yellow or something.
Yeah, it's almost like dodgy, but not that dodgy. Entirely up to you.
To be aware.
To be aware, yeah.
take
Almost like the traffic lights that you'd find on the roads. And then you get the red warning, which is schools close, and he really recommends that you don't go out unless it is something urgent.
Yeah, basically you need to stay at home, try not to drive around because the roads get a bit flooded.
Yeah, as you saw earlier on.
Unfortunately, Sicily is not very prepared for severe water weather, so the roads tend to flood out. The drainage isn't so good. It's not because of underdevelopment or something like that. It's just because it doesn't rain here as much as it does northern Italy. So
yeah, and then when it does, it sort of floods.
yeah,
It's
so
quite
the
scary.
development of the drainage of all the roads and that are not top, especially because we live in the country. As you said, that the mayor does
Warn us.
he's quite proactive on them.
Yeah, I think he's pretty good.
Media
A lot of people have been moaning about him, but you know, Italians.
Well, he's got his ups and downs, like he's building a bridge that doesn't really need to be built, but yeah, that's fine.
But I think it's useful, and I think it adds to
There's a lot of mixed difference.
mixed opinions. I think it adds to, you know, the beauty of Ortigia. Instead of having to walk on those two bridges where all the cars, you know, are passing by, I sometimes see people trying to cross over and they're scared because they think they're going to get knocked over.
The traffic problem.
That bridge will be really useful, but people like to moan. Anyway, after our nice little cup of tea, going to be another day at home. We can't fly the drone. We can't climb mountains.
Severe wind.
We can't travel very far. We are in Ortigia after the bad weather, still extremely windy. somewhere. Grazie. That's amazing. We decided to go into some of the local vintage charity shops just to see if we could find a bed, and we did actually.
So what have you done?
Okay, so we bought this very sweet little bed for the Claudia's ex-bedroom.
The single bedroom, yeah.
It was such a bargain, honestly. But we're just waiting for Rosie to come with a big car because in the Smart
It don't fit in the little car, yeah.
So we got it. It was 35 euros, and he gave it to us for 30 euros, everything included. Such a bargain. I'm very happy.
Right, everybody, I'm going to have to tell you that Maria's got no voice this week, so it's going to be me that's going to be ending, yes, this video this week. I hope you all push the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week with a new video. Have a good week. Bye.